When we say that a commander is directly responsible for any act or omission of his subordinates in relation to the performance of their official duties, we are referring to A. Chain of command, B. Delegation of responsibility, C. Command responsibility, D. Span of control. Answer C. Command responsibility. A police strategy that aims to directly involve community members in the maintenance of peace and order by police officers. A. Integrated police system, B. Comparative police system, C. Police visibility, D. Community-oriented policing system. Answer D. Community-oriented policing system. No person in an organization can do all the tasks necessary for accomplishing group objectives. Also, no one should exercise all the authority for making decisions. This refers to A. Chain of command, B. Command responsibility, C. Unity of command, D. Delegation of authority. Answer D. Delegation of authority. Under RA 6975, a police officer is entitled to a longevity pay equivalent to how many % of his monthly basic salary for every 5 years of service? A. 2%, B. 5%, C. 10%, D. 15%. Answer C. 10%. This term refers to the period when a police officer is actively engaged in the performance of his duty. A. Off duty, B. Off limits, C. On call, D. On duty. Answer D. On duty. What is the principle of organization, suggesting that communications should ordinarily go upward and downward through established channels in the hierarchy? A. Chain of command, B. Span of control, C. Unity of command, D. Delegation of authority. Answer A. Chain of command. It is the central receiving entity for any citizen's complaint against the members and officers of the PNP. A. DILG, B. NAPOLCOM, C. PLEB, D. IAS. Answer C. PLEB. Which of the following laws established the police organization under the DILG? A. RA 5487, B. RA 8551, C. RA 2274, D. RA 6975. Answer D. RA 6975. Who is the most important officer in the police organization? A. Investigator, B. Patrol officer, C. Traffic officer, D. Chief of Police. Answer B. Patrol officer. The maximum number of subordinates at a given position that the superior can supervise effectively. A. Unity of command, B. Span of control, C. Chain of command, D. Hierarchy. Answer B. Span of control.